And healthcare facilities are increasingly turning to technology to modernize operations and improve the delivery of services. At the Jamaican Hospital in Clarendon, officials say digital transformation is helping medical teams access critical patient information more quickly and make better informed decisions.
Officials at the Southern Regional Health Authority, which oversees Jamaican Hospital, say its electronic health record system is transforming the way patient information is collected, stored, and accessed. 2 years after implementation, the technology is helping healthcare workers make easier, data-driven decisions while improving overall patient care.
We are able to do a lot of monitoring, data collection, that will guide, our treatment plan, and that sort of stuff. So it's working tremendous. It's pretty good.
The focus has now moved beyond digitizing records to using the data collected to improve efficiency, streamline operations, and enhance patient care.
Having installed the hardware and the software that now has digitization of records, we are now doing the analysis to ensure that we are using the data to make better and more efficient decisions. So for example, if it took 15 minutes for someone to be registered, we expect that it must take less than 15 minutes now that you have digitization. If a patient goes into a doctor's office and the doctor has to review a paper file and you can't find the file, it's on the computer, on the laptop in his office or her office. She can look at the patient history, what medication they're on, and treat with them quickly, so you'll have more throughput. So patients can be diagnosed a lot easier, quicker, and you can see more patients.
Officials say technology must continue to support healthcare delivery as upgrades are also being made to improve the overall hospital environment.
Technology in and of itself don't make any sense if it's not used to improve efficiency. And what we're doing now is assessing the efficiency levels, and it's always going to be tweaked to make it a better working facility. But Jamaican will benefit from that. The chairman was just telling me that we have a new oxygen plant that to be commissioned here at the hospital. We're building a wall around the facility for better security. And there's a park that is being done for welfare of staff and patients. So, we're going to make this facility a modern facility for hospital that for both internal and external stakeholders.